In this video, we will learn how to add legend in chart. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have some sales data. I just select first data, then click on the insert tab, click on the chart option, click on the 2D pie chart. You can click also as you want. I just click on the 2D pie chart. You can see here the plus sign, click on that. You get here the add legend. You can see here when I click on this box, the legend is add. Okay, then you click on this arrow. You can set the top side, left side, bottom side, and more option available also. More option in you feel the color in legend. You can feel color border also available. You can border, and second one you can transparency create as per percentage level, size, blur, blurriness, and other so many option is available here. You can adjust as per your requirement. Third one, legend options, same as we selected the first, top, bottom, left, right. So I just the bottom side I set. Okay, that's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.